How to fix new posts not showing on Facebook. Hi everyone. Welcome back. Today, I'm going to help you fix an issue many of us face, your new posts not showing up on Facebook. Whether it's a personal update, a photo, or a business post, this quick guide will help you resolve it in no time. Let's get started. First, let's understand why this happens. Here are the most common reasons. 1. Privacy settings might be limiting who can see your post. 2. Facebook's algorithm prioritizes other content. 3. The post may still be under review if it contains certain words or links. 4. There might be a bug or app glitch. Don't worry, I'll guide you through each step to fix it. Step 1. Check your privacy settings. On your post, click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Edit Audience and ensure it's set to public or the audience you want. This ensures your post is visible to everyone or the intended group. Sometimes, the simplest solutions work best. Refresh your app or browser. If the post still doesn't show, try deleting it and posting it again. Double-check the text, images, or links to ensure they meet Facebook's guidelines. Step 3. Clear your app cache or update Facebook. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Facebook, Storage, Clear Cache. For iPhones, uninstall and reinstall the app. Also, ensure your Facebook app is updated to the latest version to avoid glitches. Step 4. Boost your post's visibility. Facebook's algorithm shows posts that engage people. Ask your friends to like, comment, or share your post. It'll help it appear in more feeds. If none of these steps work, report the issue to Facebook. Go to Settings and Privacy Help and report a problem. Describe the issue and attach screenshots if possible. And that's it. I hope this video helps you fix the issue of your new posts not showing on Facebook. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and share it with others who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next video.